This was our home in Arusha. The area is called Sanawari. It's a cute space. It has 3 rooms, one is en suite, then 2 rooms you share, 1 bathroom. That's the dining area outside. It has a chime. That's the usitoke basi. This is the living area. It has so much character. There is no TV, but do you really need a TV? Do you? There is a cooker, a washing machine, spices, a fridge, utensils. You can pretty much cook for yourself because the kitchen is well equipped. Also, our host is the sweetest. She has been doing dishes for us since we came here. Hadi nasikia vibaya, but she's nice. Books. So, one room, this room is a suite, room 2 and room 3. Shopping bag. This is the neighborhood.